Well, hello everyone, it's me, the Forgotten Link, formerly known as Ace22 the Kid. Yeah, I'm playing Minecraft on a Raspberry Pi. Weird, right? I know. But I am. Now, you may be wondering, how is he playing Minecraft on a Raspberry Pi? I thought that wasn't very possible. Well, it is. Through magic. And that magic is called Pi apps. I think I still have... Yes, I still have it open. Give it a moment to load, but okay, now. We have Pi apps, and Pi apps is a program that comes with a bunch of things. For instance, Windows 10 theme, which I'm using at the moment. It actually shows me my CPU and memory usage. That's a pretty high CPU usage right there. But you can get Minecraft Bedrock, Java, RetroPie, Sonic Pi, TBO, Zoom, some other cool things. Discord, which I also have open. Speaking of Discord, you should totally come and join it. I'm going to have a link in the description below and whatnot. You know, come check out the thing. It doesn't really matter, but it helps. And some other servers. Did you know that you could name the folders? You just gotta right click. Weird, right? But yeah, so you can get it on GitHub. github.com/botspot/pi-apps. It's not that hard to install. I'll have a link. I'll put this in the description too and whatnot. But yep, it's actually quite easy. And then boom, it's done, installed. All of this cool stuff. If you click details, it'll open. If you have an app opened or clicked on, for instance, Discord details. Boom. How to run it, go to menu, internet, Discord, run terminal. It's nice. It's really fun. And it's allowed me to actually use the Pi to its fullest potential, in my case. And have fun playing games like Minecraft. Well, I think I'll end it there today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you guys all next time. So, yeah. Thanks for sticking around. See y'all later.